Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie and this is JTV Arts. I wanted to introduce what my channel is going to be about and give you guys a little overview of what to expect when you're coming onto my page. A little bit of background about myself first. I'm 24, I live in Chicago, Illinois, and I'm a recent graduate of art history where I focused in Latin American colonial and contemporary art. So I want this channel to kind of be a little bit of a art history videos in here talking about the history of printmaking and papermaking, which are going to be the mediums that I'm going to mostly be doing tutorials on. I also love to do little crafts, and I'm really obsessed with like gardens and fairies, and I've dabbled in some macrame, so I'll probably just be vlogging a lot of those crafts that I do and giving instructions as I go. As well as I have a side business with my partner Gerald where we refurbish furniture sustainably and sell it here in the city. So we might be doing some process videos of that. It's going to kind of be an organic flow of all the art things that I do in my life, JTV Arts. I'm excited to share all of these passions that I have, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!